Well, since I grew them, I should use them. What are we going to do with those? I got my cucumbers peeled. I started slicing them, and I went ahead and took at least 3 at a time, and I'm just pushing my fingernails, or my thumb, through the center there, and trying to remove as many seeds as I can. You can see there's quite a few seeds left in here. I'm going to rinse these and try to remove the seeds because the seeds will retain water. Alrighty, I've got all of my cucumbers de-seeded mostly. Got all my cucumber rings rinsed off, and now I'm going to mix up some of my packaged ranch dressing with some sour cream. Now for this recipe, I'm using this Daisy sour cream, and all that's in this is cultured cream. So you want to make sure that your oil, there's no oils in your sour cream. If you do, well, you might want to find something different. Let's add a package of our seasoning mix. And we're just going to get this all whisked in. So I went ahead and mixed it up. I've got my cucumbers in here, and I'm laying on the trays here. And we've got 1 piece of parchment down below. I've got this measured out. We can add some more to this. So we're going to add another layer. And we're just going to cover it like that. And add another layer right on top. And then get these into the freezer for 24 hours. So out of that 16-ounce container, I got 2.5 trays for sure. I did go ahead and mix up another batch. So 1 more package. And I did use some non-fat Greek yogurt. And I only used part of it. So we're going to get the rest of these cucumbers in that sauce. Well, I got my trays all filled, and I got them covered with plastic, and we're going to go set those in the freezer now. I just took these out of the deep freeze, so this is what the cucumbers look like before I put them in the freeze dryer. Well, the freeze dryer is done, and this is what the cucumbers with the ranch dressing looks like. And it just bends. This one does have a little bit of seeds left in it. I'm gonna have to eat that. Tastes excellent. We're just storing this into our Mylar bags. I already have these bags full, and I do have oxygen absorbers that I'm going to add into those bags. So we are storing the taste of summer into winter. How wonderful. Oh, and by the way, this took about 30 hours to freeze dry, and that is with the seeds removed. So if you're going to use your freeze dryer to do some cucumbers, remove those seeds and expect it to last a long time in there.